Hello, and welcome to GreenSpace. We are a team of people working for you to bring you daily first-hand information so you can make the smartest, safest, sound investments possible. I am your host, Ramon, and today we will be bringing you the daily recap of the OTC market. With that being said, let's jump right into it. We hope your week started off positive and profitable. It was a sea of red today for most. However, our newly added ticker from Friday displayed serious gains and is still very much under the radar. We will discuss our running results, today's big winner, as well as add yet another ticker to our predictions list. This week looks promising to us. If you feel otherwise, remember, it's all perception. A red day today usually means a green day tomorrow. AIMH, mentioned just Friday with a 6-cent entry target, shot up over 40% very quickly on low volume today. We here at GreenSpace believe the micro float, coupled with the chart setup and fresh events, set this one up for a 10-cent plus test very soon. Watch the market depth and bidding action tomorrow if you have the tools to do so. Also, check out new developments with AIMH by viewing our Friday video, where we share some of our new due diligence findings. Keep an eye on this one. These thin movers tend to take off without warning. It was a brutal opening for many today. Because of this, we wanted to go over basic fundamentals we suggest you always check before opening an OTC position. We cannot stress this enough. Check the share structure. The share structure can be located under the Security Details tab when opening any OTC company on otcmarkets.com. Sometimes the share structure is not updated or provided. In this case, try and reach out to the listed transfer agent and request an updated share structure. If you still cannot find an updated count, try digging into some recent filings if available. Filings are found under the Disclosure tab on otcmarkets.com. Lastly, if all else fails, you can try visiting the company's domiciled Secretary of State website to at least get an authorized share count. Why is share structure so important to understand? Let me break it down for you. Let's take ticker symbol HCMC for example. HCMC has an unrestricted share count of over 250 billion. If I were to buy $10,000 worth of HCMC at the current price of 0012, I would own approximately 0.003% of the total unrestricted share count. Now let's compare this to AIMH. AIMH has an unknown unrestricted count, but a listed outstanding share count of just over 130 million. So we will use this for reference. If I were to buy $10,000 worth of AIMH at the current price of 8.8 cents, I would own approximately 0.08% of the total unrestricted share count. This is important because it shows how much dollar value is needed to move a specific stock. The higher the unrestricted count, the harder it is to lock up the supply. We're excited to add American Leisure Holdings Inc., ticker symbol ALMH, to our active alerts list. The end-of-day volume spike on Friday and alleged new company Twitter caught a lot of people's attention late last week. Today we saw volume continue to move throughout the day. As of now, there are no developments other than the newly established company Twitter we will link below. However, we recommend you watch this one for developments and possible hints at the company's new direction. Also, keep an eye on the daily volume. It looks like a nice near-bottom chart loading play to us. We will include a price prediction for this one at the end of the video. Here are our predictions going into the later week. DSCR. As we've stated prior, keep an eye on this one as it is still dipped. Sub 006 looks good for a move back to 1 cent. Our short-term prediction stays the same here. Just watch for those big bidders to show up under 006. Next, we got SKDI. Our entry and price target remain the same. However, you may have trouble filling under a cent now. A big midday red to green 55% plus move hit today, quickly moving off our 1 cent entry target to our alerted 1.5 cent target price. Yet another spot-on alert. As the week goes on, we may need to increase our price target. For now, we're leaving this one under our active alerts list and patting ourselves on the back. Things are heating up for SKDI. Following that, we have MRPI. still trading in its established and alerted channel. Expect another move near previous highs when volume picks up. Until then, our entry target of sub 2.5 cents and our exit target of near 4 cents remains the same. GRLF saw a red day on big volume. Our initial 002 plus price target hit perfectly as expected last Friday. Today we're seeing a bit of a pullback. We think another trip from 0015 to 002 plus should come very soon. Keep this one at the top of your radar heading into next month. AIMH. What a day. Within one trading session, our price target prediction was almost fulfilled. Trading most of today near our 9 cent price target, moving strong off alerting 6 cent entry just last week. Because of this quick move, we're slightly moving our price target upwards to 10 cents. And lastly, ALMH, our newly added alert. Our entry target is anything below 001. We believe an initial short-term target price of 002 is conservative to start. We're excited to keep you all updated with their new developments as the company progresses. Do check their new Twitter, linked below, and of course, check the daily chart. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of our daily recap. We work hard to bring you this valuable information, and if you enjoyed it, do us a favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. This is Ramon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All information given on this channel is solely our opinion and is not professional financial advice.